Hey guys, we're going to go through the pelvic stabilization exercise here, and you're going to do this one supine. The purpose of this exercise is to help balance the major muscles that are going to be pulling your pelvis on either side. If you think about when you're walking or swimming or doing anything that involves locomotion, one leg is going forward while the other one goes backwards. In order to do that, this hip flexor needs to fire and this glute needs to fire, and they fire at the same time together. Sometimes we have muscle patterns that aren't working properly. So maybe on one side, this hip flexor and this glute aren't firing properly, but on this side they are. So every time I walk around or swim or move or do anything, my pelvis is now being pulled by these more active muscles. So this exercise is going to help get all these muscles online together and get them firing together in that contralateral pattern. So this hip flexor and glute, this hip flexor and glute. So you're going to do this from your back. Legs are going to come up. You're going to put one hand on your shin, the other hand on your thigh. And what these hands are doing is they're providing a resistance so you can isometrically contract. This side is going to provide resistance, preventing my leg from going up using my hip flexor. This hand is going to provide the resistance, preventing my leg from going down using the glute. So you're not going to see my legs move, but I'm creating internal tension here. So if I took my hands away, that's what would happen, right? So you're creating internal tension, this hip flexor, this glute, then you do the opposite and you're going to switch. So now this leg is going down, this leg is coming up, but my hands are preventing that from happening. Again, if I took my hands away, it moves like that. So you're going to hold this on either side, hold for 10 seconds on either side, and then you're going to switch back and forth 3 times in total. So 10 seconds here, 10 seconds here, that's 1, 10, 10, 10, 10, then you're done. Thanks.